I am making Payday Copycat Bars. All right, I have 1 bag of caramel bits here that I'm going to melt in the microwave. Okay, then use my marshmallows. Okay, so now I'm going to melt this with my marshmallows. I'm going to take our peanuts. This is a recipe test for my new 200 super easy candy and fudge recipes coming out soon. You can go to the link in the description or take a picture of the QR code to sign up for notifications when it will be ready to purchase. We are in the proofreading stages right now and hope to have it to the printer in a month or so. In our pan. All right, you will need butter on your fingers to grease your hands. You could also use plastic gloves if you want. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Let's see if it works. Looks good. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right. Well, I think these are set up. Okay, might want to line both sides of the parchment. So we've got a Payday bar here. Okay, that tastes just like a Payday bar. That is absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10.